Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply AlphaMap to a material in ThreeJS. So here I'll first show you the output. So this is what an AlphaMap looks like. I'll just quickly refresh it because those things are rotating. I've applied a rotating animation. So here you can see this is a sphere, this is a torus, and this is a plane. So this is what AlphaMap looks like. So firstly I have created one simple project using this particular command. Simple HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. Once that is done, inside my package.json I have installed two dependencies. The first one is 3 so for ThreeJS, and second is inside dev dependency I have installed @type/3. So yeah, this installed the types of ThreeJS for which will be helpful for our TypeScript files. Then inside index.html I have just created one canvas. I have applied some ID to it, and here I have applied some styling like position fixed, top left is 0, outline is none. Then inside main.ts, as you can see, these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports. I have also taken orbit controls. It is mostly used for rotating and translating, those kind of stuff. Here we are getting hold of our canvas. Then I am applying some texture loader to our, I am getting hold of creating one texture loader as well. Now if you see inside my public folder, inside textures, inside door, I have added this alpha.jpg file. So this is how an alpha texture looks like. You can just search for Google for an alpha texture or the ThreeJS documentation. Typically you can use any image, but don't use any image. I mean, you can get some weird output if you use any image. Basically use an alpha texture. So this is how an alpha image looks like. So we are loading that particular image. Then here I have created one scene. I have created one mesh basic material. I have applied that alpha texture to the alpha map of mesh basic material. Now whenever you apply this alpha map, the important part is you have to make this transparent as true. If I don't do this, and if I go back, here you can see alpha map is not applied. So the important part is this transparent should be true. And here now I have just created 3 mesh, one for sphere, one for plane, and one for torus. I have added all 3 of them to our scene. Then I have created the sizes. So I have set the width as well as height to whatever is of our device, the entire width and height. Then I have created one perspective camera. I have added that camera to our scene. Then I have created one orbit controls, then one WebGL renderer, set this width and height of it. Then on resize we are just updating our camera as well as renderer, and on double click we are just entering the full screen mode or exiting full screen mode. Here I have created one clock as well, and on tick we just get the elapsed time. And as you can see over here, we are just animating or rotating our sphere, plane and torus, and just updating our controls as well as our renderer. And on request animation frame we just call the tick function, and here we just call, so that it is called every frame per second, and here we just call tick function manually. So yeah, that's it. The important part is this particular thing, the alpha map thing, and transparent is equal to true. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.